Hi, it's Pina from Fashion Justice. I'm just waking up from a nap and realize that I need to do a quick video for you this week. And so what I think I'm going to start doing is introducing these very quick, short, maybe 2-minute videos, although it's hard for me to shut up, on just giving you some quick tips on beauty and fashion. So this week I wanted to do something that is very close to my heart, and it is, I want to tell you about how to line your waterline. So for every woman knows, the waterline is just this line right here underneath. And women love to line it because it really brings out, it makes your eyes really pop and stand out. Now, I am, if you've seen all my other videos, you'll see that I typically, this is very rare because I always have my eyes lined. I'm obsessed with black eyeliner. I think I've been obsessed ever since the day that I started wearing makeup. And the reason for that is because I grew up, obviously I was born with light eyes and dark hair. And I never liked it because I just would look at myself in the mirror and felt that I had a very washed out look. So imagine my excitement when I discovered eyeliner and realized that this was a great way for me to make my eyes pop. And actually it really defines your eyes. So when you line your eyes, it really gives you that definition. And that's exactly what I was looking for. And finally, I felt like I could have my eyes defined, which kind of framed my face a little bit better. So now when I looked at myself in the mirror, I didn't have like this washed out look because of the contrast of my eyes and my hair. So I was so happy when I discovered eyeliner, and I've become a bit of an expert through the years because I've been so addicted to it my whole life. So now I am fully awake, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to not only line the water line, but more importantly, have it stay on all day. Because that's really the key. You want to, when you do put it on, because that is a very watery area, you want to make sure that it stays on all day long and that it doesn't run, and then you don't start looking like a raccoon by the end of the day, which is really important when it's when you're wearing eyeliner. So step number 1 is really simple. You're going to take a cold eyeliner and you're just going to simply line the inside of the eye. And so you're going to find that this is very soft. This is Charlotte Tilbury. You can get any brand you want. Just get a cold one, and that's your first step. So we're going to go ahead and do this really easily. Just line the inside. There. And if you've got a good pencil and it's really soft, it'll go on really nicely. It's not going to bother your eye whatsoever. And there you can see already how the eyes are popping. And now our second step, as you can see, is the eyes are already popping, is you're going to take your waterproof eyeliner and just do the same thing, really easy. You don't need to be a beauty expert to do this. So simple. There you go. And now make sure the corners are pretty important. There. Now your eyes are popping already. Now we're going to do the last. Now this next step is really easy. You can either take either a gel eyeliner, or just take your eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow if you're using black, or what I like to do is use both depending on how you want, how intense you want the smoky eye or that eye to really look. I love, as you know, a very intense eye. So you can use both. So this is just a NARS. I've had this forever, and this is a gel, so you can go ahead and apply it. So I'm gonna have to get close up and personal for this one. There, you can just, all you need to do is just apply it there in the waterline. And that really sets it as well, and obviously makes it more intense. And just be sure not to get it all in your eye. And then you just do the same thing with the other eye. And you really can't screw this up at all because you're just kind of blending like that, see? Now, this next step is optional depending on how intense you want it to look. So take just take a black eyeshadow if you're using the black color palette, and then you're just going to apply it underneath. So you're going to just take a flat brush and just do that. You can wet it as well if you want, but once you do that, make sure you tap it because you want to get rid of the excess powder or it could be irritating to your eyes. So just be careful with that. And there we go. We're going to get up close and personal again and just, you can see if you apply it underneath the waterline, it gives it also, it's much more intense and it gives it more of a smoky eye look. As I said, you can just wet it as well. So there, that's pretty much it. I think we're done here. So there you have it. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you come back next week for some more amazing, fabulous tips. Remember to be your most fabulous self every single day, and follow my Instagram, LawyerPina147, for daily outfit inspirations, and my blog, fashionjustice.ca, for amazing articles to remind you to always be your best self. I will see you here next week. Thank you so much for watching, and go out there and make your eyes look absolutely fabulous. I will see you next week. Oh yeah, and how can I forget to remind you to subscribe to my channel below by clicking on the link. Mwah.